Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add content to your Flipboard mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Flipboard app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, before you can add content, you should already have a magazine created. If you haven't made one yet, just tap the profile icon at the bottom right, tap on magazine, give it a name and choose a category. Next, go back to the home screen or search bar and look for articles or posts you like. It could be about tech, health, business, whatever your magazine is about. When you found the article you want to add, tap on it to open it. Now look for the plus icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap that. Flipboard will show a list of your magazines. Just tap the magazine where you want to add the content. You can also add your own blogs, post, video or article. Tap the profile icon, then tap the plus button or add a post. Try to add new content every day to keep your magazine active and interesting. And that's how you add content to the Flipboard mobile app from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.